Hi, welcome. It's Peg, and today I am working on AJOS Abstract August. That's Art Joy is Sharing prompts for the month of August. We are doing abstract art. So, abstract art doesn't necessarily mean that it is totally abstract. It can just be an abstraction of an image. So, I am going to do just that. Today I'm working with pan pastels. And I'm going to, oh boy, pan pastels are pastels, chalky pastels in a pan form. And I'm using a soft sponge, it's SOFFT sponge, to apply the pastels to my page. Now, this is an Arnold Grumbacher watercolor paper that I have previously put some color on, and I'm not sure what product I used there. Might have been paint, might have been alcohol ink, I don't know. But I'm using that as a backdrop for these pan pastels. And this is another soft tool that I'm using to apply those colors to my page. Now, what I want is for those colors to intersect with one another. The prompt for today is intersect. So everything I do, I want to have intersect with something else on the page. That's how we tie things together, is through intersection. So I will put those down. I will use some stencils. I will do a little colorization. I will add a quote, and pretty much that's about it for today. Not a lot to be said about it. I'm going to let the video run and maybe come back and tell you a little something later. I don't know. We'll just see where we go from here. So I want to thank you for being here with me and sharing some time creating in my journal. I hope you follow the prompts and work in your journals or one on whatever piece of art you choose to do. Shell's been working on some tags. I know there are a number of different people doing different things. Be sure and check out the hashtag on both Instagram and check out Art Joy of Sharing because we'd love to have you join us in our community. If you're new to my channel and like this content, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell for notification. And check the box below for links. Glad to have you here, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.